Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Photogrid app review. Is it worth it? Photogrid is a versatile mobile and web app designed for creating photo and video collages with ease, offering a variety of templates, editing tools, filters, stickers, and more. Developed by KS Mobile, it's perfect for casual creators who want to quickly style content for social media. The app provides collage layouts, basic editing tools like cropping, text, and stickers, plus multimedia support for combining videos and photos. Advanced features include AI powered tools for background removal, object removal, and AI filters, making edits faster and polished. However, the free version is ad heavy, and many features are locked behind paywalls, with some users reporting confusing trials, accidental charges, or occasional performance issues like slow loading and crashes on large projects. Overall, PhotoGrid is worth it for casual creators and social media users seeking quick, fun, and visually appealing edits without needing professional grade software. Its free tier allows you to test the app, and premium unlocks more creative options for a small subscription. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.